and my heart pretend be. Then I am still and waiting in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. There is no life without its hunger. Each restless heart beats so imperfectly. But when you come and I am filled with wonder, sometimes I think I glimpse eternity. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up so walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. You raise me up to more than I can be.
Alright, palakpakan naman natin si Mr. Jeff Aaron Ethan of Global City. Jeff,
Hey Aaron, Jeff Aaron. Eten, nagsabi siya.
kamusta,
Tayo,
Jeff?
kumusta?
Ito yung pinakabata pala natin sa lahat ng contenders.
13, 14 years old.
13.
13 years old, pinakabata nga.
Same sila ni Lorraine.
Oo, siya nanalo last Saturday. Tama?
Alright.
Kumusta
So,
naman,
kumusta?
Jeff Eten?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Sino kasama natin dito?
Akong family.
Sige, shoutout naman dyan sa family.
Shoutout din anak family nga supportive.
Very good.
Ayan.
Nice to see you. Good evening. Welcome to Initak Idol 2024.
Bagay na bagay yung suot ni...
Naka-receive siya ng memo natin na mag-white shoes.
White shoes. Bagay na bagay.
Yes,
ulitaw.
bagay. Pogi na pogi si Jeff
Pogi.
Aaron. All right, let's hear it from the judges. Let's start with Dr. Olobia.
Hello, thank you. Jeff, okay, nice to see you again. You remember me?
We are back.
I still remember you. Ang galing ng ano mo, you have transformed a lot, no? I think I still remember my comment the last time you performed, no? Something about breathing and phrasing. In the song that you sang previously, I commented on your breathing and correct phrasing. And for this particular song, you gave justice to it, no? In terms of phrasing and breathing. And the emotional power and depth was there. And of course, the vocal strength was very prominent. Mayroon akong comment in terms of your diction, no? In pronouncing English words, the enunciation, like you say mountain, not mountain, okay? Mountain, curtain. So next time when you sing this song again, listen to the pronunciation, no? How is it pronounced correctly? Yun lang. What else? I think that's about it. At your age, you're 13, you have achieved a lot, no? How much more if you're already 20? No? I hope to see you in the next competition, maybe in the final round, no? Yeah, you're a strong contender tonight, okay? You're a star already. Okay, thank you very
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Arlovia.
Dr. Arlovia.
Sir Anjay.
Hello, Jeff, Aaron. So, ako I'm very happy to see you again tonight, no? Kasi, di ba last week, may nangyaring kababalag. Joke.
Not kababalag.
Kumbaga, I'm very happy na pinaglaban ka ng mga judges talaga namin, no? Kasi gusto pa namin talaga makita ka. Kasi alam namin na meron ka pang ipapakita talaga. With your vocal quality and lahat, alam kong nahihiya ka lang. So, I'm happy to see you tonight. And talagang what's also good about you is your attitude. Talagang nakinig ka, di ba? Na I know medyo may hesitation pa rin ng konti sa paggalaw sa stage, pero ibang-iba na kumpara last week. So, we really appreciate that, no? Talagang nakinig ka talaga. So, I'm very happy and yon sa lahat ng sinabi ni Sir Leoncio. So, tandaan mo yon, okay? At saka, siguro dun lang sa mga pag-breathing mo, pag-breathe mo. For example, yung mga words na hindi mo puputulin yung isang word. Hindi ka magbe-breathe na. For example, the word shoulders. Diba? Yung shoul, tapos nagbe-breathe ka, tapos ders. So, it's a word kasi. So, kailangan i-sustain mo talaga siya. Yun yung mga very critical things na minsan na-overlook ng mga singers, no? So, yun. Pero I'm happy with whatever you did tonight. So, congratulations.
Thank you so much, Mr. Anjay. What about you, Sir Clark?
Sir
What can I
Clark
say about the
Raposo?
performance of Mr. Jeff?
Jeff Eaton.
Hi, Jeff. Okay. Pinaglaban ka namin nung yung
Pinaglaban.
Sana all pinaglalaban na.
kasi may may potential ba? So andyan na. You have the voice. I agree kay Dr. Leon at kay Sir Anjay. Pero agree na lang ako talaga. Wala. Yung sasabihin ko, sinabi na nila. Yung breathing, yun din ang sasabihin ko sana. Yung pronunciation, yung curtain, yung mga... Then, para sa akin, kasi ang kantang ito, it's very emotional. Mas maganda yung kung ma-feel mo pa. You tell the story, di ba? Yung you raise me up. Sinong pinapaanuhan mo nito? Si Lord, di ba? Or maybe your inspiration, your parent, your dad, your mom. So, every time na you're down. So, you raise me up. So, feel kulangan din ako sa expression. Pero, parang si Muffet, andun na pitch, stability, yung breathing lang kulang, yung diction, yung enunciation, intonation, okay man. Pero, more on expression na lang. Then, vocalize, control din, yung control mo. Ha? Okay? Anyway, you did it. Great job. Congratulations.
All right, thank you so much,
Salamat,
Sir
Sir
Clark.
Rosso.
Ano masasabi mo sa mga comments
Yes,
ng mga
Jeff,
judges?
what can you
Lalo
say?
na yung pronunciation. Sabi ni Dr.
Both
Leoncio, di ba?
positive and
Oo,
negative.
positive.
Ay, hindi naman siya negative, pero constructive siya na
Alright, ano
comment.
masasabi mo?
Salamatan mga kuha na nimo, yung mga maupay na comments. Dadadong ko pa ito kung sunod na generasyon.
Generasyon. Okay, bata pa, 13 years old.
Yes, marami pa siyang sasalihan for sure.
For sure. Ayan. Oy, sige, bago na,
Jeff,
sige.
baka
Bago,
may gusto kang batiin
batiin
sa
natin,
Facebook Live.
Shoutout din na takmami, Cheremy Campo. Tapos
Ayan.
sa napon,
Hi, Mami.
Sino yung coach mo? May coach ka ba?
Oh,
Sino si coach? Asan si coach?
Anak-coach siya na akong kantay, Sir Romel, tapos na akong mama.
Andito ba si coach?
Waray.
Wala. Anyways,
Tapos
congratulations.
shoutout gyap din na akong mga ka-teammates sa taekwondo, pati pa na akong kwan. Anamon coach ang taekwondo yung Ma'am Jessica Oelizan.
Alright, there you go.
Hello.
That's it?
Tapos anamon principal sa Jose
Ayan.
National High
Sige.
School, Ma'am Lizzie Lopez.
Okay.
Thank you
Ang
so
dami.
much,
Dati,
Jeff.
last Saturday, may ano siya, may Codigo.
May kodigo.
Diba?
Siya ba yun?
Ito yun. Alright.
Okay. Yes,
Okay,
thank
that's it.
you
Wala
sa
na.
mga
Thank you so much,
supporters ni
Mr. Jeff Aaron Aitan ng San Jose, Tacloban City.
Thank you, Jeff.
There you go. There we have it.
Our five
five
contenders.
contenders.
Wild
Ayan.
card.